Disclaimer right off the top. I was at the Homestyle shopping event today and I talked a lot, so my voice is almost non-existent. Alrighty, so it's our final DIY, and tonight we are making dishwasher tabs. Young Living has dishwasher detergent on the NFR side, but we don't have it in Canada yet. So this is something I'm trying until I get enough essential rewards points to order some of the stuff on my next NFR order. Okay, so for this DIY, you'll need, I have my sea salt. We bought it in bulk at Bulk Barn last time we were in Grand Prairie. You need some citric acid. This we also got at Bulk Barn. Baking soda, Thieves cleaner. This stuff is good for everything. And this isn't in the recipe, but I'm going to add some lemon oil just because it's really good degreaser. A bowl, measuring utensils, a spoon, and something to store it in. I got these containers here. Sorry, I thought I heard my daughter. She's teething. Bedtime's a disaster lately. These containers, they're airtight to store them in once they're done. And you will also need a silicone mold like we used a couple weeks ago for the shower bombs. Hi, Sarah. Okay, so we're going to start off with our dry stuff and then add in our liquids. So we're going to start with, I'm going to set my phone down here. We're going to start with 1/4 of a cup of citric acid. If I can open it. Okay. So I don't have a 1/4 of a cup measuring cup clean right now. Don't know where it is. So I'm just going to do 1/2 of a half. That's about 1/2 of a half. And put it in my bowl. And then we're going to add 1/2 a cup of sea salt. Okay. Then we're going to add a whole cup of baking soda. Okay. So, baking soda dust in my mouth. Okay, so here's my bowl. In here I have my baking soda, my salt, and my citric acid. Okay, so now, pardon, my kitchen table is a mess. It's kind of a business spot as well as a place that we eat. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Thieves cleaner. Okay, and I'm also going to add in, probably 10 to 15 drops of lemon, just to give it a little extra kick. That was about 16 because it started dripping fast. Okay, so I'll show you now. Okay, so here's, I'm just going to mix it up. thinking, I don't know if that's, yeah, that'll hold a, okay, so then you need your mold, okay, which, oh man, I'll be right back, I forgot it. Okay, so just a silicone mold, like I used one of these in an earlier video when I was making shower bombs. Okay, so I'm hoping that it's got enough liquid in it to hold a form. Hopefully. And then you just leave these overnight, according to the recipe I read, and take them out in the morning. Okay, so since this is our final DIY, I want to know what your favorite was. And if you comment below and tell me what your favorite DIY that we did this month was, you will have a chance to win a 15 ml bottle of orange oil. Orange oil smells so lovely. So comment below and tell me your favorite DIY that we did, and I will be doing the draw for this on Saturday. Okay, so you have today, tomorrow, Friday, and we'll cut it off at noon on Saturday. All right, so you just keep going, putting them in your mold until your bowl is empty. I've got a ways to go yet, but my voice is about done, so I'm going to say goodnight, and I will share a picture of my final product tomorrow once I take them out. Have a lovely evening, everyone. Toodles.